Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Grow with Arnam. And this is Arnam Islami. And today we are going to do loops. There are three types of loops: while loop, for loop, and do while loop. Today we are going to cover on the while loop. A loop statement allows us to execute a statement or group of statements multiple times. When a block of code needs to be executed several number of times, then we use a loop. The flowchart of the loop is given. First, we start and take the input. In Then we check the condition. If the condition is true, then the conditional code will be executed, and again the condition will be checked. If the condition is false, then the ex loop is exited. While loop. A while loop repeatedly executes a target statement as long as a given condition is true. Syntax for while loop is while in the brackets we write the condition or the expression. It can be anything. Example, I is smaller than equals to 10, or if uh, array is equals to name. Then the statement is executed inside the curly braces, and then the curly braces is closed. Here the condition may be any expression and true is any non-zero value. The loop iterates while the condition is true. When the condition becomes false, the program control passes to the line immediately following the loop. Here is the example to print 1 to 10 numbers using the while loop. First, we start the program taking the integer I equals to 1. Then we put the while loop inside that the expression I is smaller than equals to 10, and inside the curly braces we are writing the executable code, that is printf percentage %d, comma I, and semicolon, and then in the next line we are increasing the value of the I, and then we are returning the while loop. In the right hand side there is a uh, output of the code. Thank you for your attention, and the notes will be available in the drive link available in the description box, and we will be continuing for loop and while do while loop in the next lecture.